can we help you?
My bear's missing an eye.
He's missing an eye? Oh goodness, that's an emergency. I'll be right around. Let me see him. Okay. All right, we're gonna take him into the operating room, okay? All right, let's get him stable. Okay, he's stabilizing. All right, we need anesthesia.
A few moments later.
Okay. All right, Barry, can you hear us? Okay, good. All right, don't worry. We're going to get you to your little boy real soon. All right, he's all recovered.
Barry. Thank you, Sewing Room of the Gardener. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video.